While many developers claim their subdivision are flood-free, today we're not relying on advertisement or promise. We're here to see the real situation on the ground. Right now, it's raining due to Typhoon Francisco, and we're heading to one of the communities that many of our clients, especially OFW, have been asking about, SMDC Cherpul 1 and Cherpul Homes 2. We're also checking an ongoing renovation of one of our OFW client properties, which being prepared for long-term lease. Will the roads be flooded? Will the drainage system perform well? And how is its renovation progress despite the weather? And how is the renovation progressing despite the weather? Let's find out together. Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new to my channel, I'm Kuya George from Kasanting. Today is not your ordinary property tour, and we are experiencing continuous rain because of Typhoon Francisco, and honestly, this is probably the best time to inspect a subdivision because when it's sunny, every subdivision looks beautiful. But during heavy rain, that's when you'll know the real condition of a community. The office, guys. Good morning! So kasama ngayon yung Kasanting Support Group. Dexter, Amor, and Gerald. So for today's video, makikita po ninyo, umuulan po ngayon sa labas. Kanina napakalakas pero pabugso-bugso. Ipapakita po namin sa inyo na yung community, no, ay flood-free or flood-free nga ba? Baka naman hindi na, di ba? So bagyong Francisco natin ngayon, update. SMDC muna, yung pupuntahan natin, yung Cherpul 2. Meron tayong client ngayon na nagpapa-check dun sa unit niya. May ongoing siyang pinapagawa. Matatapos end of this June. We really do extra miles para may cater lang natin yung ating client, and malapit lang naman, sa likod lang din namin. Para makita ninyo na yung bagyo talaga ngayon, today is June 24. Alright, so update tayo sa bagyong si Francisco, Miss Amor. Check natin, ayan, kita niyo yan. So from windy up, so as you can see, we are, buti na lang hindi siya direct hit, no? So, nasa taas lang siya ng bahagi, pero kung makikita mo, yan yung medyo tumatagal yung bagyo kasi hinihila niya to eh. Yan yung mga habagat na nagbibigay ng ulan. Continuous raining. So, ayan guys, update. Today is Wednesday, June 24. So, let's go around, check properties, and let's see kung what we can find out. Kung maganda nga ba, title natin dito sa vlog natin, flood-free nga ba sa SMDC Cherpul 2? Let's see. Raining. Update, walang ibang nakagawa nito guys, kami lang. Oh, lakas. Alright, let's go. So we have the tools. Ayan, may payong tayo.
Please make sure that the key is in the vehicle.
Yes, we're here, complete. Full battle gear. Grabe, naka-jacket. Stir ba? Let's go!
Let's go.
As a real estate agent, one of the most common question I receive is, Kuya George, bumabaha ba dyan? And honestly, that's a fair question. Buying home isn't just about design. It's about safety. It's about protecting your investment. That's why today, we're documenting everything exactly as it is. No filter, no exaggeration, just an actual situation. As we enter SMDC Cherpul 1, you'll immediately notice the welcoming, peaceful atmosphere of the community. This development offers row houses that are simple design yet very functional, perfect for family looking for practical living space. Each unit is designed to accommodate 2 to 3 bedrooms, making it ideal for small to growing families. Despite the ongoing rain, you can see that the surrounding remain clean and well maintained. The roads are organized, the layout is easy to navigate, and there's a sense of calm with the neighborhood. It's the kind of community where residents can enjoy quiet and comfortable lifestyle while still having access to essential amenities nearby. For many homeowners, especially OFW, this balance of affordability, functionality, and peaceful living is exactly what they're looking for. So dito, mayroon silang pavilion and the swimming pool are located in this area. So may mga visitor kayo, may pool sila dito. And yung pool, I cannot go out guys, sorry. Ang gusto natin, ilibutin muna natin yung subdivision. So they have a covered basketball court. Yan, covered basketball court. And then, meron siyang mga allocated parking right beside. Yan, dito sa mga tabi ng puno. May umbrella type sila na nilagay dito. They call it talisay. Diba? Talisay ba yan? Yeah, so, ang maganda niyan is malaki mga dahon, madali ng walisan. That's it. And gusto ko tong mga puno nila. Look, they're bit matured na, pero parang bonsai, no? Pag lumaki. Pocket garden. So this area is the main road, guys. So if you're asking, saan ako magpa-park? Well, ang parking dito, guys, is in the front lang. And they have an allocated parking na parang sa condo na bibilihin mo siya in separate. But if you want that, mas maganda kung kumuha ka ng unit malapit doon sa mga parking areas. Right? And para ma-avoid din yung double parking, meron sila ditong from, like for example, in a month, so 1 to 15, no, of the month is nasa right side, and 16 to onwards 30 nasa left side. So lahat ng mga homeowners dito, they should know that at kung ipaparent man nila, kailangan nilang ipasa doon sa mag-rent nila na mayroong designated area to park para hindi magkaroon ng double parking, especially for the secondary road, no? Let's see, let me show you the secondary road. Ayan, so sa main road tayo eh, diba? So these are the secondary road. Ayan. As you can see, meron silang mga one-way area. May street na one-way siya. Ayan, one-way. So, bawal kang dumaan dyan. Okay. And you need to go around. Yun yung ayan, kailangan mong gawin kasi isang flow lang siya. Alright, so mayroon siyang mga broken line, like yung nakikita nyo yan, broken line. So that broken line means that you can park that, no, in that area. So may mga designated areas sila. So dito din halos yung mga client natin na they're work from home because the service provider. Anong service provider na
Dito? Globe.
Pwede din converge, yes.
Pwede rin converge.
Yes.
And the water supply, they have their own, ayan o. Anong company nga yung dito sa water supply nila? I think because they have their own supply na. That's the good thing dahil yung mga homeowners, syempre kailangan magbayad tayo ng HOA. That's our obligation to own a property sa subdivision para to maintenance, no? And para ma-implement talaga nila yan, there is some kind of for example, pag hindi nabayad yung HOA, tagal na, so they are right to cut the water supply, and then that's the time na kapag nagbayad na sila, babalik siya doon. So that means na mayroong
parang kapalit pag di ka nagbayad, no? So, ayan siya guys. So, there are building a fence. Ito, meron time for rent dito. So, let's check how much it is and tingnan natin kung magano tayo, mag-gather tayo information how much they rent their unit. Okay. Unit. It looks nice. It looks nice. So check natin kung magkano yung mga rentahan dito. Alright. But hindi ko muna i-reveal ngayon, syempre. Tatawagan ko pa lang. Okay. So ito. As you can see, ang observe nyo guys? Ang observe nyo? Give your feedback. May flood ba? Flooding ba?
Wala.
So far, okay. Ay, gusto ko to. Bago ang tingnan nyo guys. You have the, yan, nagde-design sila, or I mean yung gate, ganyan lang siya kataas. So it's a matter of the steel, no? Nag-reels yung design na papagawa mo. Ito lang siya matter. But the height is the same. So may mga restrictions siya. So ito yung sinasabi ko na kapag kayo ay gusto nyo talagang may parking talaga, so kuha kayo ng mga units na dito siya in front, no? Para at least may car park ka. But I don't have any information kung kailan ma-open yung mga allocated parking nila, or pwede ba siyang i-finance or whatsoever. So ganun yun sa condo eh. Right? Sa condo, advantage kung may parking ka. Pero dito naman, for me, doesn't matter kung diba, may space ka naman sa harap. That doesn't matter kung gusto mo na makatipid or budget. Ayan yung mga allocated parking nila. Okay. Napakatahimik yung lugar. So may mga nag-comment. Ano na question nyo sa mga comment? Meron ba kayong napapansin or naalala ng mga comment sa atin? Ha? I mean, wala doon tao kasi umpisa pa lang naman yan. Yeah, tama. But ito kasi matagal na siyang existence eh. Diba? Hindi lang mostly natitirhan because of most of them are wala sa ibang bansa. Gusto lang nilang mayroon lang sila space na tama lang, hindi kaya sila nakalakihan para yung syempre siguro yung HOA, diba? Hindi masyadong malaki yung babayaran. So yung yung purpose na bakit sa kumuha dito, gusto nila malapit sa airport, diba? Ayun siya. Check natin yung mga design dito. Dito din kami guys nagpipick up ng laundry. Kasi mostly sa kanila mga busy na, so they don't have time anymore na mag-asikaso. Check na rin natin to. See kung for the finish. Fully furnished. Check natin yan kung magkano para meron tayo idea dito kung magkano niya mapaparenta. So this place, ito yung huling binild nila eh. Ito yung huling binild, and this is the perimeter area na subdivision. And what I remember, meron ditong ayun, covered or covered court, like a basketball court na very enjoy. Look at the view guys. Diba? So that's Mount Arayat. Nice, diba? Yung Mount Arayat natin, majestic mountain. Yan, pag ganyan kasi nakaharap yung bahay mo, you're facing east side. So if you want morning sun, okay, it's good. Okay, kung ayaw mo naman, and gusto mo facing north, and gusto mo malamig na hangin, we have available units for you. And now, guys, hindi natin maubos to lahat, no? Ikot-ikotin natin to. It's a random street na dinaanan lang natin to show you that this community is a flood-free. I can say that it is certified flood-free community. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Second demotion, no? Kaya sinama ko sila, guys, para meron tayong evidence, witness. So this area is lead to a cheerful 2 gate, and as you can see, there is a 2-story. If you want 2-story, if you want a loft type, and want more kumbaga leeway, if you want to build something, if you want to extend, so this is for you, guys. This is for you. This is for you. Let's check the unit dun sa client natin. More, saan yung block 22 lot 69?
Sa main road.
Sa main road tayo. So, meron tayong client doon, di ba? Na kumuha.
Si
Check
Ma'am
na rin
Sam.
natin, no? So, darating si Ma'am Sam. Hello, shoutout Ma'am Sam. Siya ay taga Dubai? Correct? Dubai siya? Qatar. Okay. So, June 30. June 30, guys. Yung nakabook na sa atin. 1 week. So, this is the area. That area leads to block 22. So, block 22. Ayan. So, may aircon ako nakikita dito. Ibig sabihin may nakatira na. And yung client natin, hindi natin client yun yung block 22 lot 69. Pinapa-extend niya yung bahay niya. Hindi pa niya sure kung anong gagawin, pero gusto niya yung ipa-rent. So let's check if sabi ko, check muna namin yung house, and let's see, let's go around the places para
Dito yung 69.
lot. Ito yung 22, block 22.
22.
Maganda yung ano niya, malaki. So that's the main road towards the main entrance. So dito yung 22. Ito yung 22, right? Tapos 61, bibilang lang tayo. Kung sabi niya ay 64. Ito yung kino-construct. Wow, that's end unit. That's end unit, guys.
Yes.
Alright, so check natin.
Ito.
69, Sir Bon. Sir Bon, shout out. Shout out Sir Bon. I-check natin yung kanyang unit. And we do a little bit tour, no? Drive, see if kung may mga nagpaparenta dito para makuha natin kung magkano ba talaga yung parentahan. I have the idea, but mostly sa Airbnb, but kung magkano sa long term. Let's check it out. Hello guys, so let's check it out. Client natin, Sir Von.
Now let me show you one of the most exciting parts of today's tour. We are here at property of our client, Mr. Bon, an OFW who recently invested in an end unit home here at SMDC Cheerful Homes 2. Right now, the house is still under renovation, so you're getting an exclusive behind the scenes look before it's officially complete. The goal is to transform this into a modern, comfortable 2-story home that will soon be available for long-term lease. As you can see, the work
work still in progress. The renovation team is making sure every space is functional, practical, and ready for future tenants. This is a great example of how a simple, affordable home can be upgraded into a beautiful investment property. Once completed, this home will feature a cozy living area, dining area, a main kitchen with a separate dirty kitchen, an outdoor laundry area, 2 bedrooms with built-in cabinet, 1 toilet and bath, and a private parking space, and a fully fenced lot with a gate for added security and privacy. Despite having compact lot area of 78 square meters, the design maxed every inch of space, making it ideal for a small family or working professional near Clark. This is exactly why many investors choose property near Clark. It's not only about owning a house, it's about creating an income generation asset. At the moment, we don't have official rental price yet because the renovation is still ongoing. The target completion is by end of June or early July. Once everything is finished, we'll be back for another exclusive house tour. In our next vlog, we'll show you the complete house, the full interior tour, the final rental price, and answer one important question for long-term rental near Clark. So if you don't want to miss that update, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. Bahay niya. Sir Bon, never go wrong. Magkano mo kaya nakuha to? Hindi pa siguro siya pricing. Ganda. Ayan. So, bahay tayo lang nila. Open. So, case, no? Ayan. Okay. So, nakita na natin.
Close the door.
Close the door daw. Ito pala. Meron dito isa. Ang ganda ng nilagay niya is polycarbonate sa harap para mas pa rin. Hindi siya madilim. Usually yun yung ginagawa ng a purpose ng polycarbonate, hindi madilim tingnan yung passage, yung tsura ng bahay. Okay, so ikot-ikot pa tayo. Medyo paambon-ambon na lang. Ayan siya, oh. Dry na dry yung ating lupa, ay ating road. See if pahanap tayo ng may house for rent dito. Let's check if how much. Ikot-ikot. While seeing kung so, hanap tayo ng house for rent. And may nakita tayo dito. Okay, picture natin. Picturean mo more. Okay, house for rent. Ito, wait lang. Okay.
Same lang.
Oh, same lang. Check natin. So, wala siyang gate. Advice guys sa construction, no? Pagka medyo tagulan. I think expected nyo na medyo delayed kasi di ba mag-cure. The best magpa-construct is by January. Ganyan. Talagang summer. Construction will be. That's my only message sa atin. May nagpapakuha daw.
Yes sir, ng laundry. Block 1, lot 15 po sir.
Okay. So, yun yung dito. Mostly kasi yung mga nagpapa-Airbnb. Ayun, tinakontak tayo. Tapos, tayo na yung naglalaba. Kasi dito lang naman din tayo. Tulad niyan. Ano lang naman tayo eh. Ikot-ikot lang naman. So, mabilis tayo makarespond, di ba? So, yun pala yung nakita nating house for rent, no? So, perimeter na rin to. Perimeter. Yung side na to. So, wala akong nakitang build up. Yung meron tayong isang subscriber din tumawag sa atin. Tinatanong niya kung flood free ba dyan, ganyan. Sabi ko, flood free po, yes I understand. Usually naman talaga yung subdivision dito talaga binabaha. Ang tanong niya is kung ano ang nasa labas niya. Yun yung concern niya. Flood free ba siya? Ang maganda dito sa community ng SMDC is mismo harap niya, which is yung main road, ay kasama dun sa property line nila, which is their commercial. So hindi naman siguro sila mag-invest dun kung binabaha siya, di ba? Or low-lying or catch basin yung area na yun. Hindi naman siguro sila maglalabas ng ganun kalaking investment. So the good thing na dito or itong yung area kung saan ang ating mga like we got Triple 2, even the main entrance kung dadaan ka dun sa Santa Maria Maragul, yun yung barangay na yun flood free siya. Doon ako dumadaan, may bypass road kasi yun pag pumunta ka ng Mawake. Meron siyang shortcut, no, pag gusto kong mag-avoid ng traffic doon sa mismong Mabalacat Public Market, din ako dadaan. Ang lusot ko nun, Mabiga, dun sa may Mabiga interchange. So may mga, pag nandito na kayo, marami tayong mga bypass road na pwede nyong i-avoid yung traffic. Usually naman. Alright. So, I think that's all. Wala naman ako nakitang build up ng dinaanan talaga natin. Mayroon nagko-construction dito. Let's check na rin. Kasi yun sa din yung assignments natin more, no? Maghanap tayo ng kung magkano daw, no? Construct kasi pupunta na siya dito. So magdadaan siya ng para ma-move in kaagad, tapos ayusin niya agad. So that's it. And ito na yung yung papuntang Cheerful 2. Cheerful 1. Just pick up muna kami na. Hanap buhay muna kami guys maghanap buhay muna tayo. Pipick up tayo ng laundry. Yung pinipick up natin na laundry is they are very tingnan mo talaga kung kumikita yung business dahil palagi nagpapalaba. No?
Yes.
So yeah, it means may market guys. Yun na lang yung natin, yung sa likod lang ng sa office natin. Imagine mo, rent out yun for almost 2 months. 2 months guys. Isang 44 days and isang 2 weeks. More than 2 months, di ba? More than 2 months. Ouch. Yan. Check na rin natin yung pipick upin natin. Sa may bandang bunga dyan na.
Yes, sir.
Palagi kayo doon, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Pipick up.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, may market.
Yes, sir.
Yan. So, tingnan nyo yung daan guys, diba? So, papuntang na to, main road na to. So, dito pa lang, makikita mo na dito talaga siya babawain kasi unang-una, meron siyang malaking drainage doon, no? So, may mismong amenities, nakita nyo yung doon, drainage, ang laki. May parang pupuntahan agad yung tubig ba. Yan yung mga puno. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. Parang bonsai.
May tree planting pa daw sila.
Ha?
Magti-tree planting pa daw sila.
Dito?
Bagong
Sabi ni
project?
Sir Glenn.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Siguro yung sa mga area na wala
Nakalbo.
pang puno. Or nakalbo sa
Nice. Si Sir Glenn po yung coordinator natin dito. Siya yung nag-assist sa atin. Meron tayong client more, no? Na wala siyang SPA. Pero na-concern natin kay Sir Glenn na may mga banks naman na acceptable kahit walang SPA. Lalo na yung isang bank,
Union Bank.
Union Bank, na may
Authorization.
pinapadala nila yung gusto natin guys, no? We make it easy for our OFW na wanted to, diba, kuha ng property dito dahil yung pinaghirapan nila dun. So make it more easy. Easy na makakakuha sila. Instead na pahirapan sila, bigyan na sila ng way para mabilis na achieve yung mga pangarap nila. Kasi yung pangarap na yan, include din yung bahay eh. Diba? Alright.
Na-pick up na daw.
Sino na-pick up?
Oh, si Kuya.
Ah, okay. So, hindi natin nakuha guys dahil pinick up na nung kapatid ko. Doon lang kasi sa likod. Saan yun?
Sa harap lang, sir. Dito na sa dito na na hilera.
Ah, sige.
Doon sa harap lang. May fence yun.
Aha. Ito ba yun?
15.
15.
Ito.
Ito? Ah, ito. So,
Yan,
look
ito.
at that guys.
Ito.
Oh. Yan. Dinadrop lang dyan. No?
Yes, sir.
Yan. Dinadrop lang dyan. Sa labas. Yung cleaner. And then kami na magpipick up. So, yan po. Nagtatapos yung ating virtual tour for today's video. Lagyan natin Francisco versus SMDC. Is it blood free? Sino na? Yeah. So, I conclude na dito sa lugar na to, flood free. Tahimik yung ano nyo. Hindi kayo kakabakabahan guys. Diyan lang din kami yan sa likod niyan. Diyan lang yung office din namin. And for about 2 years na kami dyan. Okay, and then ako naman sa real estate dito. Sa 2010 pa ako dito. Pero 2019 ako nag-start. Wala pa akong nakitang may stagnant water or build up water. Wala pa. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ako nga pala si Kuya George. Kasama ko yung aking mga support group. Si Codex.
Dexter.
Dexter, harap mo yung camera.
Ah. Dexter.
Yan. And
Amor!
more. Nagsasabing, dream home you deserve.
People you trust.
See you and God bless guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.